Hello everyone. Welcome to our new podcast. Welcome to RN podcast. This is not actually new because we are continuing it after 2 years maybe. So I was trying to be able to consistent with it, but I am very guilty about it. That I was not because I was not very fortunate with the podcast industry itself because as you know that audio based platforms like live audio based platforms and was getting a boom at that point of time like Clubhouse and Twitter uh, actually and like launch its own feature at that point of time, not at that point of time, later on. But I was not very fortunate. I was not very personally very optimistic about it, that the podcast industry will boom in India itself because the intellectual content which is being consumed in India, that percentage is very low. The Gen Z itself doesn't consumes that much of content, of course. And I was like, I'm from the Gen Z, so I know that most of my friends, like in my school also, when I was in school, most of my friends used to not to consume that type of content which is very intellectual. They used to consume like vlogs or something, and people still do that, and nothing bad about it. But majority of the people just want to be entertained, not to be um, not to be educated in a particular manner. And with that audio scenario, I was not very fortunate because people in India, when we are the land of Bollywood, we are the land of music. So if people on maybe uh, like America, they are traveling, might be they will prefer to listen to a podcast because that will help them in their career. But in India, I don't think so that will be the case. And I'm not underestimating the Indian audience. It's just how we are. The amount of variety we have in terms of music, the amount of variety we have in terms of content right now in Hindi, in Marathi, in our any local language itself, it's really high. So I was not very fortunate with the podcast market, and then way before Ranveer Lavadhia started it, I started it by listening to Gary V, Gary Vaynerchuk. If you know about him, I hope you do. If you don't, please check him out. He's fantastic. Also check out Ranveer Lavadhya. Obviously, you know him. If you know about my channel, so obviously you know about Ranveer Lavadhya too. And yeah, it just I will be consistent from today. I will make one piece of podcast each and every day for the next 365 days. Today is 17th December, and I will continue this podcast to the next 20. Today is 17th December 2021, and I will continue this podcast consistently for the next 365 days to and it's a very big statement right now. So I will continue this podcast to the next 17th December 2022, and I'm really looking forward to this one because I'm very scared, first of all, because I've tried this before. I'm trying it for the last 2 years now, trying to be consistent with the content thing, but I'm just not able to. Why I'm not? Because I always seek for that perfection or any other stupid excuse, which is just, at the end of the day, I know it's just me that which is doing that thing, which is stopping my own growth basically. So I just don't like that anymore, and I'm not going to do that anymore. I've decided it, and in that mindset, to do something consistently, to give just 1%, even if you are not giving your 100%, do it. Please do it. Even if you do it bad, please do it. That mentality comes from the book Atomic Habit. It's not how you are striking. You will not strike as good as your best days, but if you will keep practicing on the net, even if you are not in the mood, if even some tragedy is happening, even if uh, your health is not good, even if you are not feeling that optimum, if you even if you are not on that mindset, but if you just keep that shatter, if you keep that whispering, if you just avoid that whispering on your head, then you'll did it. You will do that, and you will keep doing that to a certain amount of time. The compound interest of that particular thing will be really high, and uh, you will love the fact that I learned this from the Atomic Habit, and I've applied it in terms of a lot of things, and it changed my not life yet. I will not say it changed my life and all, but I will definitely say that it had changed my mindset in some extent, because before that I used to really struggle in terms of reading, but I now I read really well, because I just give every day, even if I'm not reading actually really high, I just try to read at least one page a day. I have a lot of Kindles, so I do not go with like, first I used to be like ki I'm that pure ones who will just read from the books and take that smell of those pages and will touch them and will turn the pages. I also used to be from that category, but now I have that Kindle and I can carry it on my phone. So it's really mobile, and it's really awesome to have that in your phone, because now I'm not just stopping myself to doing something with my own imagination. Okay, I will not do this, I will not do that. They are just, I know, I'm aware that they are just my limitations. They're just my version of stopping me of doing what I really want to do. What is And at the end of the day, I am stopping just my own growth, which will benefit me in the very long term. So um, at the end of the day, if you're still listening, and I know a lot of people are not listening, but I hope that this if even one person is listening to this particular episode, I genuinely thank you if you are listening to this point, and just I'm just praying right now that I will be consistent for the next 365 days, because that will give me some, not some, actually ridiculous amount of confidence to do a lot of stuff in my life. And thank you so much if you are listening once again. And this is Aryan episode 1, and I will see you in the next episode of Aryan podcast.